Dr. Stephen was a well known doctor. He had specialized in a particular disease. He had taken his research papers to a certain place and he went on the airplane. But there was some problem in the flight that they had to suddenly land the flight. So when he got down, he was already late, and then he wanted to go to this place at least in 3 hours' time. So he took a taxi and started moving. But at the same time, when he started moving, it was a heavy rain and a thunderstorm. Because of the thunderstorm, they could not go very fast. Also, they missed their destination. Now they are in a very deserted place, so Dr. Stephen wanted to make a phone call. So he was trying to find at least a place, and they found nowhere. But luckily, there was a house. So he went to that house, and there was an old lady invited him to his house. But unfortunately, the telephone was under repair. The lady said, "You look so tired, so let me serve you some food and a cup of tea." Dr. Stephen was very happy at least to have that. And during that time, the lady excused herself and went for her prayer. She went and started praying, and in the meantime, Dr. Stephen was noticing that she was praying and trying to tame someone over there. So he wanted to go and see who that person was. And that was the niece of the lady. And she started explaining Dr. Stephen about the misfortune that she and her niece have. She was suffering from a very, very rare cancer. And she was praying because she had no other way of curing her nieces. She said, "I have heard a very good doctor who is specialized in this particular disease, but I have no money to go and meet him and also no way to find him." And Dr. Stephen just gave a tap on her shoulder and said, "Don't worry, I am the doctor who is specialized in this particular disease." See, dear brethren in Jesus Christ, when you pray earnestly, God not only will show you the way, He will be the way, and He will send you whatever that you asked for. If you pray for someone to meet, you don't need to go and meet that person. If you really and earnestly pray, that person will come and see you. Therefore, in the gospel today, what we heard, it is said, see, when you are in difficulties, don't worry of what to do, how to speak, what to speak. Just pray to God, and He will show you the way, because He is the way. Amen.